Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your PushButtonStockTrading.com daily video market review. Much of what we do at Push Button Stock Trading is based in full or in part on William O'Neill's classic book, How to Make Money in Stocks. O'Neill utilizes the acronym CAN-SLIM to identify the important elements of what he's looking for in a trade. The most important part of CAN-SLIM, to my way of thinking, is the M, which stands for market. So let's take a brief look at the market. After a sharp sell-off on heavy trade Friday that sent the market into correction according to the O'Neill timing model, stocks closed modestly higher on heavier trading volume yesterday. Although markets were higher, declining issues trounced advancers by nearly 3 to 1, while new highs continued to decline and new lows expanded sharply. According to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks outperformed small yesterday and are outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. Small caps typically outperform in bull markets. Okay. The L in CAN-SLIM stands for leader or laggard. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. We use HGSI's High Growth Stock Investors Spectrum Analyzer to identify market leadership on a daily basis. Yesterday, of the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups, 14 were in the real estate investment trust industry. 6 were from packaged foods. 6 were from application software, 5 were from renewable energy, and rounding out the top 5, we had 5 from household products and 5 from IT services. Let's start today by taking a quick look at the Russell 2000. We've been following the Russell 2000 because I think the Russell 2000 is the key to the market going forward here. Notice how the Russell just keeps getting weaker. We'll draw on this little trend line right here. We'll see if the Russell can hold this trend line. But importantly, we have been noting that the Russell put in this low back in September of this year, made this high, put in this higher low, and then this minor higher high over here. We had established this little uptrend. But on Friday, the Russell undercut this low right here. And so we're no longer in that uptrend, and the Russell continues to show weakness. While the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ Composite were up yesterday, Russell 2000 continued to track lower. We want to see the Russell put in a bottom here and eventually take out resistance up here in the 1194 area before we can get real excited about the overall market moving higher. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. S&P yesterday was up 9.57 points, or just under 0.5%. We closed at 2021, and notice how we closed at the high of the day. That's a bullish sign. The S&P yesterday had higher trading volume than the prior day, giving us an accumulation day. Right now, according to the William O'Neill timing model, the market's in correction. It has been since last Friday, December 11th. S&P is bracketed by support down here in the 1993 area and resistance up here in the 2044 range. According to our timing model, we are on a sell signal. A sell signal indicates that we should be off of margin and aggressive traders can sell short. We should sell any long position that, if sold at current stop levels, would result in a loss. All stops should be at their tightest levels on all portfolio positions. Conservative traders may want to hedge their portfolios with contra ETFs. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call. Drop me an email or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson LaCours, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.